Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set special wallpaper in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and now you want to set special wallpapers, let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your browser, and here I'm going to download an image first. And I'm going to download an image of Spider-Man, so you just have to download an image which you want to set as your own wallpaper but with special effects. So I'm going to download this one. Just download the image, and after that just open a browser, and here you must have to search for Wonderlands APK. Just search for that, and here just open the first website, and here just scroll down and you just have to look for download APK option, tap on it, and here just scroll down again and you will get different versions of your download. You must have to look for the latest version, just tap on it and just wait for its opening, and after that just scroll down again and then tap on download APK option. You must have to tap on it and it will start downloading. Here just select download anyway, and you can see that download has been started. You just have to wait for its download and then we will have a setup. After downloading, just tap on this, and here just tap on install to install this app. You just have to wait for its installation, then tap on open to open the app, and here just select the first option, which is create your own moving wallpaper. Tap on it, then tap on the plus icon, and here just select the gallery option, then tap on allow all to access your images, and here you just have to select any image which you want to set as your own wallpaper, and I'm going to set the score of, and here you can easily move it if you want, and then tap on image setting. Just enable motion effect. You can change your image if you want. Just select gallery option and then select the image which you want to set as your own wallpaper. Select motion effect and then enable that, and here you just have to increase this movement just like that, then preview, then tap on download option, and here you just have to name your download, and I'm going to set a special wallpaper just like that. Just tap on save, and after that just tap on set as wallpaper, and then you can easily select as your home scene or as lock scene and home scene both, and I'm going to select home and lock scene. Just tap on it and your wallpaper has been set. So that's how you can easily set special wallpaper in your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.